So my name is Tasin Chaudhary and I read in grade 9 Hartko International School in Bosundhara, Dhaka, and I know English better now, and English therapy is a very exclusive and good way to teach us English. Our teacher Saiful sir is a very good teacher. He teaches us English in a great way. So we have done in the conversation outside, and we know many vocabularies. I used to know vocabularies very less, but after joining Saiful sir's coaching, the English therapy, I know I'm doing very much better, knowing much more vocabularies, fluent in English. For learning English, we have to be more concentrated. We have to get more concentration, and we have to make a goal that we can learn English. Not like this, I can learn English. Not like the talk. We have to make a goal. We can learn English. We have to reach the goal. This is our main process to reach the goal. And Saiful sir teaches English in a very good way. The teaching method is very good. That book, English therapy book, is very good. The last time I was reading English book was like I used to say the word A, B, C, D. Now after studying in Saiful sir's coaching, I can say the A will be like A, B, C, D. So it's a very good way. It's like the British English. So I like this very much.